Oh yeah, watch the process and enjoy the progress. Today we are working on these two pocket seats. Can you see that? We want to change the material. Can you see how broken it is? Can you see how it is? Yes. Can you see that? We want to throw in a little magic to bring it back to life. All right. See how it's broken everywhere. But the plastics, we're not really changing it, but we want to make sure that the cover is 100% neat. So watch the process and enjoy the progress. I'm still your #1 celebrity designer, Kingstyle. Follow us for more videos. Follow us if you want to see the after of this. All right, just bye.